Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new tutorial series for Python beginners by Knowledge Doctor. So in previous video we discussed about string, and this tutorial we are discuss about formatted string. You can also say it as f string. Okay, so let's get started. I already opened create a file here in my Jupyter notebook. So first talk about actually string. Okay, so what's a string actually? So strings containing some character. Okay, after joining this character it's make a string. So let's say name equal let's say Python. Okay, see if you're trying to print it here, so name, and also type. Okay, so type, so simply put here the name. So you can see Python and the class is a string. Okay, actually it is a string. Why? Because it's containing some character, and it's also in the double quotation. It's also the single quotation, no problem, but it's containing some character. Okay, and the class, why class? Because Python is a object oriented programming language. In previous video I discussed about like string slicing, concatenation also. If you miss it, so link will be in the description, so please check it out. Okay, so now we are trying to discuss about formatted string. What's actually formatted string here? Okay, so in C you can use like this percentage %d, percentage %f, and percentage also. Okay, so it's called the format specifier in C language. It's also available in Python. Okay, so we're trying to use this. Okay, so I'll create a variable here, Python. Okay, so we need to create another variable here. So let's say result, a variable. So it's trying to print let's say Python, the programming language, is the output. Okay, so you have to simply put here percentage %s. Why percentage %s? Because Python, is a string, so you need to put here percentage %s. If this is a decimal number, so you simply put here percentage %d. If the float, so you simply put here percentage %f. So we're trying to print here programming language. So what will the output there? So output like this. Okay, Python programming language. Okay, so let's comment out it. Okay, so this will be our output. Okay, so you simply put here module division and this variable name. Okay, so this module division uh, containing the value of Python, this string. Okay, and it passed the string for percentage as well. So you see here the output will be Python, the programming language. So if you're trying to run this program, print it out, the result. So you can see Python programming language. Okay, so it uses a percentage %s in Python. Format specifier in Python. But our topic is formatted string in Python. Okay, so we are trying to discuss about two types of formatted string. So one is the format method, and another one is the f string. Okay, it's more popular. Okay, so now let's get started here. Okay, so let's say another variable result, let's say 01. So similarly, you're trying to print Python programming language. Okay, so simply you have to put here curly brackets inside these. Okay, expect this percentage %s here. So inside this here you have to put here curly brackets and simply type here the programming language. So right here, no problem. Okay, so let's do P. Okay, and you simply put here a method called say format. So format. Okay, and you simply put here your variable name. So here is it, the variable name is name. Okay, so put your name. So if we're trying to print the result 01. Okay, so let's say result 01. So you can see Python programming language, the same output. Okay, same output, but have some disadvantage. Okay, in the variable, there are so many variables, so you are being very disappointed that what variable would do something like this, and you have to put here some calculate. so many curly brackets and you are became very disappointed. So here's the solution. So here's the everything. So let's say result 0 2. Okay, so you simply put here a f, okay, and start the second quotation, okay, I mean double quotation here, and you simply put here this one and the programming language, let's say language. Okay, so inside this curly bracket you have to put your variable name here. Okay, so let's say name. So after print it out, you can see something, boom. So result 02. Wow, Python programming language. So now we are trying to revise our previous video. So we are receiving input from the user and trying to print it out. Okay, so let's say first name or app name here. Okay, I20 here. So input I20 input, enter your first name here. Okay, what the hell might happen? So simply copy it out, okay, and paste it out here. So change the variable name for L name for last name here. So I'm trying to pin my name, okay, and getting input from the user. Okay, so now it's time to print it out using the array string, I mean formatted string. So let's say final demo, or let's say final result, okay, equal, simply put here a string, then let's say my name is 2 bracket and 2 bracket. Okay, so inside this curly bracket you have to pass the f name and l name. Okay, so if you're trying to print it out, so here's the print, so final result. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see enter your first name, let's say Mishu, and the last name, let's say Dhar. Okay, you can see my name is Mishu. Okay, so here's the tutorial. So I think you will enjoy this video. So thank you guys and for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never missing update. Bye bye.